In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use branches and workflows in Hubspot. To get started, log into your Hubspot account and head to the main navigation. Find Automations, then select Workflows. This takes you to the area where Hubspot manages automated processes, like sending emails, assigning owners, or updating properties based on what your contacts do. Once you are on the Workflows screen, locate the workflow you want to edit and click the workflow name to open it. You will now see the workflow timeline with your existing triggers and actions laid out in order. Take a moment to look at where you want contacts to split into different paths, because that is exactly what a branch is for. Branches help you send people down different routes based on what is true about them or based on something they do. In the workflow editor, move your cursor between two actions where you want the split to happen. Click the plus icon that appears between those actions. This opens the Add Action panel on the right side of the screen. In that right panel, scroll or search for the option called Branch, then select it. After you choose Branch, Hubspot will ask you what type of branch you want to create. Select Value-Based if you want a branch based on information stored on a record, like a contact property, company property, or deal property. Select Event-Based if you want a branch based on an action that occurs, such as a form submission or another tracked event available in your portal. Choose the option that matches how you want the workflow to make its decision. Next, select the specific property or event criteria for your branch. Set the condition carefully, because this is what determines which path each record follows. Use criteria that is reliable and consistently populated, so your automation stays accurate over time. When your criteria is set, click Done. Then click Save to store your changes. At this point, your branch is added, and you can continue building actions under each path as needed. And that is all there is to it.